How ready is your organization for a world where AI agents make thousands of decisions every minute? More importantly, how ready is your data? I'm Guy Vorster from Reltio. I've spent the last 27 years helping companies unlock the power in their data. Today, I'll show you what it takes to make your AI dreams a reality. We're witnessing the biggest shift in business decision-making ever. The age of intelligence is here. It's not just about using AI to automate tasks. We want AI to make decisions, split-second decisions, at enterprise scale. The pressure to deliver in this area is enormous, but the competitive advantage, for those who get it right, is very compelling. As a result, organizations are racing to deploy agents. Options for AI automation are seemingly everywhere. In customer service, cut call times, boost first call resolution rates, enable more self-service. In healthcare, reduce delays, cut paperwork, improve outcomes. In financial services, prevent fraud, reduce risk, streamline onboarding. But here's the plot twist. We're asking AI to make split-second decisions on fragmented, duplicative, inconsistent, often stale data. Your customer service AI doesn't realize that the angry caller is also your biggest enterprise client. Your healthcare AI misses critical patient history or interactions. Your fraud AI over-rotates and flags legitimate transactions as fraudulent. The result? Poor recommendations, bad diagnoses, missed risks, compliance problems, customers defecting to competitors, brand damage. Companies will think it's because of the AI model, so they'll switch model providers and hit the same problems again. The issue runs much deeper than a fancier AI model. As much as we would like it to be, AI is not a silver bullet for a poor data foundation. In fact, siloed data is the kryptonite of your enterprise AI ambitions. This tangled web of disconnected systems and processes is the reality faced by most complex organizations. How do you get your AI to respond accurately when you're faced with 5 Oracle instances over here, 12 SAPs there, dozens of Salesforce orgs, legacy systems everywhere, many third-party data providers, data sitting in different hyperscaler clouds, data lakes that are just dumping grounds for data, inconsistencies and duplicates everywhere, lack of trust in the data. Oh, and by the way, this mess just doubled in your company because you recently acquired a competitor. The explosion of agentic apps and vibe coding means 10 times more apps heading your way in the near future. 3 critical problems come out of this mess. Data debt that grows with every new application being added. Operational friction that slows everything down in your business. For me, the biggest one is eroded trust because AI agents are using incomplete information to make decisions at scale. And these decisions have to be right, or the downside can be massive. For the last 14 years, Fortune 1000 companies around the world have trusted Reltio to turn their data chaos into clarity. Reltio is an API-first, cloud-native data unification platform that operates in real time and is fully available on day one of your implementation. But we don't just aggregate data. We inject trust into your enterprise data. We do this by continuously cleansing, unifying, enriching, and connecting your data at any scale. Built-in governance and audit trails ensure you can answer the who, what, where, and when of your data. The result? A semantic, trusted data layer to feed clean, context-rich data to every system, every AI agent, every analytics platform, in milliseconds. Gone are the days of overnight batch processes. The Reltio Intelligent Data Graph is truly a game changer when it comes to simplicity and power for our customers. Forget rigid tables. Instead, think connected entities, relationships, and interactions, even unstructured signals, documents, events. Customers link to orders, orders connect to locations, locations tie to suppliers, and so on. All of this happens in real time. Everything is connected in the Reltio Intelligent Data Graph. This means your AI agents get context, not just data. The data fragmentation problem that Reltio solves is not a new one by any means. The early 2000s saw the rise of customer data integration solutions aimed at this very problem. Then came master data management, or MDM platforms. These were all on-premise systems, batch processing, complex architectures. Many of these legacy solutions are still around today. They helped solve for early data governance challenges. Typically, this was around improved analytics, but they were usually IT-led initiatives, slow, rigid, not built for data in motion, certainly not built for today's AI use cases. Reltio changed everything about this legacy MDM approach in 2011. We introduced the world's first cloud-native, multi-domain master data management platform, built for data in motion at any scale in real time. With Reltio, Fortune 1000 companies have finally solved the trust problem. Accurate data about customers, products, suppliers, locations, assets, and so on, unified across the enterprise, shared in milliseconds. But Agentic AI changed the game again. Reltio's unique cloud-native architecture, underpinned by the intelligent data graph, has allowed us to evolve into the system of context to meet the challenge ahead. Think of it as your organization's neural network for enterprise data. 4 key ingredients make this system of context truly special. Firstly, it contains built-in AI agents. They resolve data quality issues, perform enrichment, handle time-consuming tasks automatically. Secondly, it exposes an AI-native interface, full model context protocol support out of the box. Your agents don't just get data, they get context-rich, semantically structured information. Thirdly, it's the intelligent data graph, a paradigm shift in simplicity when it comes to managing any type of data. Lastly, it's all about the data delivery network. This is our ability to deliver data in 50 milliseconds or better. You're getting trusted, unified data at the speed of decision-making in your business. Here's how it all comes together. Our customers can collect data from everywhere, their internal enterprise systems, third-party data providers. We unify it all. The intelligent data graph is where context emerges. Then we deliver data at any scale, in 50 milliseconds if needed, to any system, any business process, or any AI agent. We help you unleash your growth initiatives. Things like omni-channel engagement, customer centricity, sales effectiveness. Why? Because your AI agents finally have the complete enterprise view available in real time. Every interaction, every relationship, every customer attribute. We help supercharge your efficiency programs, digital self-service, process automation, M&A integration. Imagine a 60% improvement in first call resolution rates. What would that mean for your business? Imagine shaving off 4 to 6 months in data-related effort next time you acquire a company. Why? Because trusted data flows seamlessly between systems, between partners. No friction. Lastly, we help mitigate risk, fraud detection, privacy and consent management, audit reporting. Your AI now makes decisions with trusted, traceable data. Every decision becomes defensible. Think about how the world has changed in just 2 decades. How we access information, how we work, how businesses operate. Everything has changed. And now, we're facing the biggest wave of change yet with Agentic AI. But this change is different. Decision-making is shifting from humans to agents. The implications for your data are staggering. Quite simply, you have a choice. Keep feeding your AI agents fragmented data. Wonder why they underperform. Or give them the right data foundation they need in order to be successful to meet this next wave of disruption. That's why global leaders choose Reltio to unify and mobilize the data that drives their business. The age of intelligence is here. The question isn't whether your business will be AI-driven. It's whether your AI will be data-driven. Thanks for your time and attention.